So hello guys, I'm back with another Minecraft video, and today I'm going to be doing a coding video. So if you like this video, please smash that like and subscribe button to keep up the support. There'll be a link on the screen right now about how to get the code and how you can use it and that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's just straight into the video. So today I'm going to be teaching you the Cob Miner program, and the Cob Miner program basically automatically gives you cobblestone. First, before you can do the Cob Miner program, you need to learn how to make a cobblestone generator. Most people know how to make a cobblestone generator because you can not only do it in coding, but you can also do it in survival. But I'll just teach you right now. So that's a cobblestone generator right there that I made. There's also 2 more. But I'm going to be making a whole new one. To make a cobblestone generator, you need a lava bucket, a water bucket, and some glass. So let me get my glass out from my inventory. Okay, so I got it out. And to make the most important thing about cobblestone generators is that it's a 3x6. So it's a 1, 2, 3. And so it's 1, 2, 3, and then 6. So there's 1 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And also there's 2 right here. 1, 2, 3. And then there's another 6. So like that. And you have to fill in the inside too. And you have to cover the whole bottom layer with glass. The next layer, there'll be 2 blocks in the middle of everything, and you don't fill in those blocks. You don't. Because those blocks, there'll be water inside it. So cover it out like this. I mean, not that one, okay? Not that one. Because you have to, the 2 in the middle, you have to keep. You have to delete because there'll be water inside it. The next layer is like a donut, so all the layers in the middle will be gone. So it's like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you just cover the outside. Only the outside layer. Okay? So the stuff on the inside. So the second layer, the 2 in the middle, you delete, and then the next layer, the 4 in the middle, you delete. So it's 1 more than the last time. 2 more, yeah. And then this is very, very important, and I mean very, very important. You have to put the water bucket before you put the lava bucket. Okay, so here you have to put the water bucket right here. It can be on that side, but okay. And now you put the lava bucket right here. And there'll be a cobblestone right there. Now, this is the cobblestone generator that you always wanted to build. And it keeps on building cobblestone. Like, if I break this cobblestone, it'll come back. Voila! That's a cobblestone generator, and you can get infinite cobblestone if you keep breaking it. But if you do it in survival, you have to sit here and then break this, and it takes... Well, it doesn't take that much, but it takes a while for the cobblestone to come back. And also, your pickaxe breaks. But with a turtle, the pickaxe never breaks. It's insta-break. So it fixes almost all of your problems. And you don't even have to be there, and you get free cobblestone. So, well, how do you make one? How do you make the Cob Miner program? Well, I'm going to teach you right now. So your turtle will be right here. So I'm going to place my turtle right there. The pickaxe has to be facing the cobblestone like it is right now, it wouldn't work. And so right now the pickaxe is facing the cobblestone. It can also be on this side. But if it's facing right towards the cobblestone, like right there or behind it, it won't work. Okay, right there. And so I'm gonna basically tell you how it works. So the master right here. And the reason I call it master is because it's a true master at everything. It breaks the cobblestone, and it'll collect it, and then keep doing that. And after it has 64 cobblestone inside here, After it has 64 cobblestone, there'll be furnaces right here. So put all the cobblestone in the furnaces, and there's supposed to be cool blocks or some sort of fuel inside the furnaces, so then it'll turn into stone, and then there'll be a lot more programs to go after that. But the main thing is that it grabs the cobblestone and puts it in the furnaces. I'm going to show you the cob miner program to help you understand how it works. So edit cob miner, and yeah, so this is the cob miner program. os.load API here. It loads the hill module, and the reason it has to load the hill module, if you watched the video before, you understand. If you didn't, please watch that video so you'd understand what I'm saying right now. But here switches what Master is holding in his hand, so it can change from the pickaxe to an axe, a pickaxe into cobblestone, which we're using right now. So it changes from the pickaxe to the cobblestone. So the reason it has to do that is because when the Master puts stuff in the furnace, it has to be holding the cobblestone like in regular survival. But when it breaks, it has to be holding the pickaxe, so it won't work. So it switches from the pickaxe to the cobblestone, like I said before. So that's why it needs the hill module. So it loads the hill module. And num furnaces is how many furnaces there's gonna be. You can change the number of furnaces, and so add numbers to this code and add the amount of furnaces. But this is the original, and I like original stuff. So I'm gonna put 5 furnaces right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and also 5 furnaces on top. The reason I put glass right here is because you can't right click on furnaces or it'll open you the page. So I'm breaking all the glass again. But the thing is, there's furnaces right here, and it loads here and it changes items. So local num furnaces is 5, so it's just how many furnaces there are. And it prints starting mining program, so it'll print starting mining program because it's starting it. If it's true, it will mine the cobblestone. If total.detect is that if cobblestone is in front of it, like right there, it'll break it. But if it isn't, there's a problem, and it'll say cobblestone not detected and it won't work. So it'll say print cobblestone detected. If it works correctly, it'll print cobblestone detected mining. But if it doesn't work, and it will break the cobblestone. But if it doesn't work, which is else, it'll print no cobblestone sleeping. And it'll sleep for 0.5 seconds, which is a half second pause. os.sleep 0.5 is half second pause, and it'll end. After that, we'll check for a full stack of cobblestone. So it'll do hill.select item Minecraft cobblestone. If turtles get item count equals 64, then I'll check the turtle's fuel, because every time the Master moves one block, it uses 1 fuel. And num furnaces is 5, as you remember. So if 2 times num furnaces, which is 2 times the number of furnaces, because it takes double the number of furnaces to get to the last furnace and then come back. If it doesn't have enough fuel, say error, total needs more fuel. But if it does have enough fuel, then I'll put all the cobblestone in the furnaces, and I'll put dropping off cobblestone, and then it'll move back over the furnaces, and it'll drop all the items, and it'll end. So if it's 1 num furnaces, it'll move forward and then it'll end. If all the furnaces are full, then it'll start sleeping, and it'll sleep for 300 seconds or 8 minutes. I mean 5. And then it'll end, and that's basically it. It'll just keep on going until it doesn't have enough fuel or doesn't detect a cobblestone, which won't happen in a long time. And yeah, I know you learned the cob miner program, but like every single time I make a coding video, you have to test it out. You have to. And I'm just going to show you how great it is at doing stuff automatically. Okay guys, so look at this Master. I'm in spectator mode, and I'm looking over Master. So Master is breaking the cobblestone like it's nothing, and it's like, pooh, gone. And this is how much cobblestone Master has already gotten. And it's like, how much cobblestone is Master getting in a second? Because I think that he's getting like 2 or 3 cobblestone every second, and that's like a lot. It could be making the big monies right here. So it's getting so much cobblestone. Let's see what happens when it gets 64. Okay, so look at this master. I put it all in the furnaces right now. Now this one has 12 cobblestone. This one has 13 cobblestone. And each one, I think, has 13 cobblestone after that. That's a lot of cobblestone, you know. And then there'll be coal blocks inside the furnaces. And then it'll all be smelting in stone. And yeah, it'll be really, really great because you're getting a lot of free stuff. I mean, you know the farm tree program that I did last video? Well, the wood can be a fuel, and then you'll be getting free stone. Free stone. Like, that's a lot of good stuff. Like, just for a bit of coding, you get so much stuff. Isn't that so great? Okay. So, well, there's a lot to come, even though we've gone pretty far. After this cob miner program, there'll be a stone brick crafter, which changes the stone into stone bricks. Then there'll be the one making walls out of stone bricks that you got. Then there'll be ones making farms out of wheat and getting you free wheat seeds and wheat. And you have an infinite food source, and you'll be making buildings like mad. And you'll be, and also there'll be a mining program, and it makes this huge mining shaft. And like you'll be getting some good old ores in like barely seconds. So you'll be getting so many diamonds. And look, it's putting in more in the chest. Isn't it so great? Now there's 26 in this chest. Coding is a great way to get a lot of stuff in Minecraft, and also it helps out in real life too. Also use this coding because I don't know why you're watching this if you don't want to learn. So I hope you liked my video, and bye bye.